Hello, and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a domain to ActiveCampaign. It's pretty easy to do, and if you'd like to follow along, I'll leave a link down below in the description. You can click it to try ActiveCampaign for free or use it to log in easily. Let's get started. First, click on the Settings option, then go to the Domain option. Under Domain Alias, you need to create a custom name for your domain. You can choose any name you like. Next, copy this address. Then, go to the DNS settings in your hosting account. Choose CNAME, paste your URL here, and set up your target. After that, click on Add Record. Finally, go back to ActiveCampaign, click on Save Changes, and you're done. I hope this quick tutorial helps you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.